Hi, I'm Nick Klosky, co-founder of Honeypoint 3D, and I want to tell you about your new life. Imagine, if you will, if you were in control of the physical objects around you. If something didn't work correctly, you would know how to fix it. If something was okay but not inspiring, you would know how to take it, remix it, and make it just as functional but also beautiful. These capabilities are within your grasp, and I'm excited to introduce you to Honeypoint 3D's Autodesk Fusion 360 class. Fusion 360 has changed how normal people interact with the products in their life. Fusion 360 is a CAD modeling program that is free for personal use and, importantly, free for commercial use for startups and individuals, and then after you start making money with your inventions, costs less than around $30 per month after that. But the critical thing is that this is professional quality software that you can legally use to found the next great gadget company or use to help improve your life personally or professionally. Like our other classes here, this Fusion 360 class is chock full of different types of training for you to enjoy. We excel at explaining how this software is conceptually set up so that you understand from the top down how Fusion 360 was intended to work. We also have a comprehensive reference section where if you want to learn about how a specific feature works, you can get the bottom-up knowledge you need to move forward. As you know from our other classes, we want to train you not only in a specific piece of software, but in the entire workflow for accomplishing digital design and 3D printing. Fusion 360 is a critical piece of the design process, and we help you understand and move between Fusion and other applications like MeshMixer to make sure that you're well-rounded designers, artists, and general makers. I'm excited to welcome you to this class. I use this software almost daily, and I know that you will too. I hope to see you in the first lesson, and thanks.